Electrical Appliances Skill Development Course Semester 1 First BSc. So today Unit 1 we will discuss about voltage, voltmeter and current. First, voltage. Voltage is defined as the potential difference between the 2 points in a conductor is called voltage. Voltage means in any electrical circuit it consists number of components like resistances, diodes, capacitors and so many components. Now we have to determine the potential difference between any 2 points is called voltage. And also another definition of voltage is nothing but work per unit positive charge. The work needed per unit of charge to move a test charge between the 2 points. So now a charge will be moved from one point to another point. We need to do some work which is called or which is stored as a voltage. So voltage is nothing but work per unit positive charge. V is equal to W by Q. And voltage across any circuit is based on Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. We know that voltage across conductor is always proportional to I. That means greater the voltage, greater will be the current. So if voltage will be increases, then electrical current also increases. And voltage is similar to pressure in the flow of water. So when a water flow along the pipe, it consists some pressure. Similarly, pressure is a physical property which is relative to voltage. So pressure is similar to voltage. So pressure behaves in flow of water and voltage is causes in electrical circuit. And we know that Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, where V is voltage, I is electrical current and R is resistance. And SI units of voltage is volts. R, we know that V is equal to W by Q means work units joules and Q charge units coulombs. That's why the units of voltage is joule per coulomb. And voltage is measured with voltmeter or multimeter. So voltmeter is a device to measure the voltage across any conductor. And also multimeter is a device to measure the voltage, capacitance, resistance, current. So multimeter is used for various purposes, but voltage is measured with by using a voltmeter only. And here the voltage is two types. One is direct voltage and another one is alternating voltage. So direct voltage means the polarity of current remains the same. So in direct voltage the polarity of current remains same. That means here the polarity means positive and negative terminals remains same. Such voltage is called direct voltage. But in alternating voltage the polarity of current reverse continuously. So here the polarity will be changes. Polarity of current reverse continuously means the polarity and positive and negative charges will be periodically changes. So periodically changes means when a wave is transmitted from one point to another point, the polarity will be similarly wave. The polarity will be periodically changes. Such voltage is called alternating voltage. And next one, in series circuit. So series circuit, the voltage across a circuit is shared by all components. That means whenever we take an electrical circuit, It consists various components like resistances, capacitors, diodes and anything. When the components in a electrical circuits are connected in series means voltage across a circuit is shared by the all components. Let us take an electrical circuit consists of three components. Then V1, V2, V3 be the voltage across the three components. Then the resultant voltage is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So in series circuit the voltage is shared. So V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, where V1 and V2 and V3 are voltage across three components of electrical circuit. But in parallel circuit the voltage is the same across each component. So let us take an electrical circuit which consists of three components. Then voltages are V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V3 is equal to V. So in parallel circuit voltage is the same across each component, but in series circuit the voltage is shared. So this is called, or this is voltage. Now voltmeter. So voltmeter is a device for measuring the potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. So voltmeter is a device how much of voltage will be traveled along the circuit that can be measured by using voltmeter, and voltmeter is denoted by the symbol this, and voltmeter is designed such that it has a very high resistance. So whenever a voltmeter is designed means it consists very high resistance. So why voltmeter consists high resistance means it does not draw any current through it. That's why it consists a high resistance, and voltmeter is always connected in parallel. So if you want to measure voltage across the circuit, the voltmeter is connected in parallel. If we connected voltmeter in series, the current flow will be zero. That's why voltmeter is always connected in parallel and ammeter is always connected in series. So here voltmeter has very high resistance and voltmeter is connected in parallel only, and voltmeter can measure both direct voltage as well as alternating voltage. So voltmeter is used for measuring direct voltage and alternating voltages also. And voltage based on construction, voltmeters are classified as follows: permanent magnet moving coil voltmeter, moving iron voltmeter, electrodynamo type voltmeter, rectified type voltmeter, induction type voltmeter, electrostatic type voltmeter, and digital voltmeter. So based on the construction principle, voltmeters are classified as follows. So these are the various types of voltmeters which we have to use for measuring potential difference between any 2 points. So this is the voltmeter. So this is the symbol of voltmeter, and voltmeter is used for measuring both direct voltage and alternating voltages, and depends on principle the voltmeters are classified as follows. This is the voltmeter. Next one, current. So electric current. Electric current is nothing but, or electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electrons in a conductor is called electrical current. So I is equal to Q by T. So I is equal to Q by T means the electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electrons in a conductor. And we know that according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR means I is equal to V by R. That means V is proportional to I means greater the voltage, greater will be the electrical current. And we know that I is equal to V by R means V is the voltage, I is the electrical current, and R is the resistance. And SI units of electrical current is amperes. or I is equal to Q by T means coulomb per second. So coulomb per second is equal to amperes, and electrical current is measured with an instrument called ammeter. So ammeter is a device to measure the electrical current along the circuit. And also electric current is also two types. One is direct current and another one is alternating current. We know that in direct current the polarity of current remains same. That means the positive and negative terminals are remains same. While in alternating current the polarity will be reversed continuously. That means polarity, positive and negative charges will be periodically changes. And in series circuit the current across a circuit is the same across each component. So in series circuit the current across any component is same. Let us take an electrical circuit which consists three components, then the current along any component is same. That means I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3 is equal to I. Whereas in parallel circuit voltage is shared by all components, current is shared by all components. So this is current, not voltage. Current is shared by all components. So this is parallel circuit.